1. False humility. Self-deprecating humor can be endearing when used sparingly. It shows self-awareness and the ability to laugh at yourself. However, constantly putting yourself down, especially when fishing for compliments, can become tiresome for others. For example, imagine someone saying, "Oh, my drawings are terrible," they'd probably scare children, while showing off a piece they're secretly proud of. The first time, friends might rush to reassure them. But after repeated instances, it becomes clear this is a ploy for praise. True humility is genuine and attractive. False modesty, on the other hand, can make you appear insecure or even narcissistic. It's frustrating for others when someone deflects compliments but can't handle criticism. Strive for honest self-assessment instead. 2. Excessive people-pleasing. While being kind and helpful is admirable, constantly trying to please everyone is unsustainable and can damage your relationships and mental health. You'll inevitably face situations where you can't make everyone happy, and the pressure to do so can be overwhelming. Excessive agreeableness can make you seem lacking in personal conviction. Others may grow frustrated by your inability to assert yourself or make decisions. Ironically, your attempts to help might even feel suffocating to those around you. True support doesn't always mean agreeing with everything. Sometimes the most valuable thing you can offer is an honest perspective or simply respecting someone's autonomy. 3. Sacrificing authenticity to fit in. It's natural to want to belong, but compromising your core values or identity to fit in is rarely a good long-term strategy. Social chameleons who constantly change their opinions and preferences to match their surroundings often come across as inauthentic. Your uniqueness is what makes you interesting. Embracing your quirks and genuine interests will attract people who appreciate the real you. That said, there's a balance to strike. Trying too hard to be edgy or different can also be off-putting. The key is to make choices that align with your true self, not solely to impress others. Regular self-reflection can help you stay grounded in your authentic identity. The not like other people complex. While it's great to recognize your unique qualities, constantly emphasizing how different or special you are compared to others can be a major turnoff. This behavior often stems from insecurity and a desperate need for validation. For instance, someone who loves reading might try to imply that this hobby makes them inherently smarter or better than others. This attitude is likely to push people away rather than draw them in. Celebrate your individuality, but avoid using it as a tool for comparison or superiority. True confidence doesn't require putting others down. The perfectionism trap. Many people fall into the belief that they need to be flawless to be worthy of love or success. This mindset can be paralyzing, preventing you from putting yourself out there or appreciating your current self. Perfectionism often leads to arrogance, social distance, and interpersonal difficulties. It's important to remember that your idea of perfect will likely change over time. Embrace your imperfections and view personal growth as an ongoing journey rather than a destination. The zero-sum game mindset. Life isn't a competition where someone else's success means your failure. Constantly comparing yourself to others and viewing relationships as transactional can severely impact your attractiveness. This mindset attracts similarly competitive people, making it difficult to form genuine, supportive relationships. Instead, celebrate others' successes, learn from setbacks, and focus on personal growth rather than winning at life. Research shows that qualities like kindness and loyalty can be just as impactful as physical attractiveness in how others perceive you. If you're struggling to form meaningful connections, consider the energy you're putting out into the world. These behaviors are common and often stem from good intentions. The good news is that awareness is the first step to change. By recognizing these patterns in yourself, you can work on developing more authentic and attractive ways of interacting with others. Remember, true attractiveness comes from being genuine, kind, and secure in yourself. It's not about perfection, but rather about continuous growth and self-awareness. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you noticed any of these behaviors in yourself or others? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on psychology and personal development. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.